You might look at an HP laptop with an i3 processor and think just another budget machine. But this particular 15.6-inch model is hiding some seriously impressive upgrades that completely change the game. This HP 15.6-inch FHD Anti-Glare laptop immediately grabs attention with its impressive memory and storage. We're talking about a whopping 32 GB of DDR4 RAM and a massive 1 TB SSD, plus even more storage from a bonus docking station. While the seal is opened for these upgrades, a dedicated 1-year warranty from Snowbell covers them, complementing HP's original warranty, a smart move for peace of mind. Now let's talk performance. The Intel Core i3-1215 you might not sound like a powerhouse, but for everyday tasks, browsing, streaming, and productivity, it's incredibly efficient. Paired with that generous 32 GB of RAM, you'll find multitasking a breeze. The 1 TB SSD ensures lightning-fast boot-ups and quick application loading, making your daily computing feel snappy. Intel UHD graphics provides solid image quality for casual content and light editing on its crisp 15.6-inch FHD display. Weighing just 3.75 pounds, this laptop is quite practical and reasonably portable. The full-size keyboard with a numeric pad is a huge plus for data entry. The HP TrueVision HD camera is there for clear video calls. Connectivity is decent. 2 USB-A, 1 USB-C, SD card reader, HDMI, headset jack, Wi-Fi 5, and Bluetooth. But here's where this package truly shines: the bonus docking station set. It's a 7-in-1 docking station with its own 128 GB SSD and a 32 GB microSD card. This means your total storage isn't just 1 TB, it's an incredible 1.16 TB. That's a massive digital library at your fingertips, easily accessible. This bundle adds tremendous value, transforming a capable laptop into a versatile workstation. Running on Windows 11 Home, it's ready to go right out of the box. For students, home users, or anyone needing a reliable, highly capable machine for daily productivity and media, this HP 15.6-inch laptop is a fantastic package. It offers an unbelievable amount of RAM and storage for its class, especially with that incredible bonus docking station. It's a smart, value-packed choice that genuinely impresses.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.